Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 6 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 6 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter consumer math. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So let's just start with the first lesson. That is unit prices with customary unit conversions. Let's just start with the first one, that is unit prices with customary unit conversions. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, a 16 pint container of disinfectant costs 32.16. What is the price per quart, right? First, you can see here the price is given for the 16 pint container, right? But here you have to find the price of per quart. That means first thing is you have to convert from pints to quarts, right? So 1 quart equal 2 pints. That is the unit, right? So that means you have 8 quarts. That is 32.16 is the price of 8 quarts, right? 8 quarts or 16 pence. They both are exactly same. So you have to divide it by the 8 to calculate the price of per quart, right? You can see here 32.16 divided by 8, that is 4.02. That means that this is in fact and cost 4.02 quarts, right? You have to convert first and then you have to price to find the value, right? For the second one, just look at the example. 2 gallons bottle of a bleach cost $9.68, right? So the price is given for the 2 gallons bottle, right? So you have to calculate the price per quart. Got it? So 1 quart equals 4 gallons. Here it is for the gallons. You have to convert from gallons to quart. So you have to do 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. So that means 9.68 is the cost of the 8 quarts. You have to divide it by the 8. That equals 1.21 is the price of per quart, right? So you have to convert first and then you have to calculate the price. So let's just start with the test questions. Okay, a 3 quart carton of ice cream cost 22.08. What is the price per cup? So here you have to convert from quart to cup first, right? So 1 quart equal 4 cups, right? That is the conversion unit. 1 quart equal 4 cups, right? So here you are given 3 quarts. So 3 quarts equal 3 times 4, that equals 12 cups. So that means this is the price of the 12 cups. So you have to divide 22.08 divided by 12. So 22.08 divided by 12 equals $1.84 per cup. That is the price per cup, because here we have converted from quarts to cups first, right? So that is the price per, so that is 1.84. 1.84 it is. 22, let me just check again. 22.08 divided by 12, 1.84 it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. Let's see if 1.84 or 1. 86. 1.84 it is, right? Okay, which is a better buy? You have 3-yard roll of wrapping paper for 11.97, and we have 8-foot roll of wrapping paper for $12.96, right? So we have to find a better buy, right? So we have to check the price of 1 yard, right? But I think they both are the different units, so you have to find the answer in same unit. Yes, you have to convert from yards to feet. Like whenever you compare two things, the values must be in the same unit, right? So that is a conversion, that is a comparison. So they must be in the same unit. So you have to convert from yards to feet first. So how to convert 1 yard equal 3 feet, right? 1 yard equal 1 yard equal 3 feet, right? So here you have 3 yards given. So 3 yards equal 3 times 3 is 9 feet, right? So divide 11.97 by 9. 11.97 by 9, that equals 1.33. So for this one, 1.33 per yards it is, right? Now look at the second one, that is already in feet divided by the 8. So 12.96 divided by 8 is 1.62 per, sorry, per feet it is, not per yards, we have converted per feet. So which is better by 1.33 or 1.62? The one that have the less price is always a better buy. So the correct option is option number 1. 3 yards roll of wrapping paper for 11.97, right? So keep this very important thing in your mind. You can compare two things if they are in the same, if they have the same units, right? So the correct option is 1.3, like first option is the correct one, that is 3 yards roll of wrapping paper for $11.97. Got it? Okay, a 2-gallon bottle bleach cost $9.68. What is the price per quart? You have to calculate the price of the 1 quart. So 1 quart equal 1 gallon equal 4 quarts, right? That is the same thing, same question we did on the tutorial. 1 quart equal 4, 1 gallon equal 4 quarts. 1 gallon equal 4 quarts. So that means 2 gallons equal 2 times 4, that is 8 quarts, right? So you can divide now 9.68 divided by 8, right? So 9.68 divided by 8 equals $1.21. The correct option is 1.21. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? That is $1.21. Okay, a 2-gallon bottle of fabric softener cost $16.96. What is the price per cup? You have to calculate the price of the 1 cup. That is a conversion from gallons to cup, right? So 1 gallon equal how many cups? 1 gallon equals 16 cups, right? 1 gallon equal 16 cups. So 2 gallons equal 2 times 16, that is 32 cups, right? So you can divide 16.96 divided by 32. So which is the correct option? 16.96 divided by 32. The correct option is $0.53. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next one is percents, calculate text, tip, markup, and more. Okay, let's just start with the first example. Nicole's bill for brunch at a restaurant is $64. She left a 15% tip. What was the total cost of her brunch including tip? Okay, so the bill is $64, right? And the tip is 15% of the bill. So calculate the 15% of the bill, right? Here you have 64 times 15%, right? 15 over 100. So 64 times 15, 960 divided by 100, 9.6 means the tip she left on 64 is $9.6, right? So $64, that means the total amount she paid is 64 and plus 9.6. So that is 64 plus 9.6. The correct option is 73.6 it is. That means the total amount she paid is 73.6. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, that's exactly the same one we just did, isn't it? Nichols' bill for brunch at a restaurant was $64. She left a 15% tip. What was the total cost for her brunch, including tip? So the correct option is $74.60, right? The correct option is $74.60. The correct option is 73.60 it is, right? Okay, sorry, I forgot the answer. Okay, the next one is Ben bought a blender online. It cost $626 plus 25% shipping and handling. What was the total cost? So 25, you have to calculate 25% of 26, right? You have to do 26 times 25%. That means 25 over 100, right? So just do the calculations. It is 26 times 25, that is 650 divided by 100, 6.5 it is. That means 6.5 he paid as tax, and the total amount is 26. So 26 plus 6.5 is 26 plus 6.5 is 32.5. So the correct option is 32.5, right? Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, the next one is Luke's bill at the dinner is $64. He left an 18% tip. What was the total cost of his dinner, including tip? So, which is the correct option? So, just do the calculations and let me do the answer. Which is the correct option? 75.52. Okay, let's see. The correct option is $75.52. Okay, good. Jennifer buys a swimsuit priced $21. If sale tax is 10%, what will be the total cost including tax? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, that is $23.10. Option number one is the correct option, right? Brooke buy a guitar priced at $72. Shipping and handling are an additional 20% of the price. How much shipping and handling will Brooke pay? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is you just have to calculate the shipping, right? You have to do 72 times 20%, right? That is $14.4. The last one is the correct option. Very good. Okay, you can calculate, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next one is unit prices, which is the better buy. A 5 pack of jump ropes cost $9.05. What is the unit price? Price means price of the one thing, right? You can see here 9.05 is the cost of five things, right? Five jump ropes. You have to calculate the price of one. You have to divide 9.05 divided by 5. Here is the price of one jump rope, that is $1.81, right? Let's just start with the test questions. A six pack of magnets cost $3.36. What is the unit price? So which is the correct option? The 3.36 is the cost of six packs, right? So you have to divide 6 by 3.36 and you will get the price of one item. 3.36 divided by 6. 3.36 divided by 6. The correct option is 0.56. That means the price of one pack of magnet cost 0.56. Right? The correct option is 0.56. The correct option is option number 1, that is $0.56. A 4 kilogram bag of flour costs $7.36. What is the unit price? So, which is the correct option? You have to divide 7.36 by 4. So, yes, the correct option is $1.84. Option number 1 is the correct option. A two pack of ice cream bars cost $0.66. What is the unit price? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is $0.33. Option number 3 is the correct option, right? A four pack of dish towel costs $6.84. What is the unit price? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 1.71. Yes, that is $1.71. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is unit prices with fractions and decimals. So let's just start with the next lesson. Christina wants to buy 1/4 of a pound of brown rice. How much will she spend? So the brown rice cost. So she want to buy 1/4 of a pound. So 1/4 of a pound means you have to divide 1 by 1 by 4, right? That means she spent $0.25, right? The correct option is $0.25. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Basically, the concept is same, but here you have to find with the fractional values, right? Tisha purchased 3/10 of a kilogram of felt scraps. What was the total cost? Okay, felt scraps is $5 per kilogram. So you have to do 5 times 3 over 10, not 100, right? That's 3 over 10. So 5 times 3 is 15, and 15 over 10 equals $1.5. That means if she buy 3 by tenth of a kilogram felt scrap, the where cost equals $1.5, right? So the correct option is $1.5. The correct option is $1.5. Okay, let's just move on to next one. The next one is Kate wants to buy 7 by tenth of a kilogram of sunflower seed butter. How much will she spend? So which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, very good. 2.10 it is. You have to do 7 by 10 times 3, right? Because the sunflower seed butter is $3 per kilogram. So that it would be $2.10. Got it? Very good. Mary bought 3/5 of a pound of green tea. How much did she spend? So which is the correct option? which is the correct option? That is, so I don't have to wait for too long. If I don't want, you don't wait, you want me to wait. If I wait, you don't want me to wait. How you guys will be happy? You want me to wait for long? Basically, the green tea cost $4 per pound, right? So you have to do 4 times 3 over 5 because you need to calculate 3/5 of a pound of green tea, right? You never said, but I know you want me to wait. 12 by 5, that is $2.40. Because these lessons earlier 3 4 times, right? So this time I'm just going to do quick review. If you want me to wait, you can just, if you want me to wait less, then you can answer quick. Only one of the student is answering. That's why I can wait. Maybe some of you need help. Okay, Zoe wants to buy 4 whole 3 by 4 pounds of turkey. How much will she spend? So, which is the correct option? The turkey is $4 per pound. So, which is the correct option? Basically, I want you to do calculations on your own, right? And when you are doing calculations on your own, it takes time. That is 4 times 4 is 16, 17, 18, 19. That is 4 times 19 over 4. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is $19, right? So the correct option is option number one, that is $19. Angie buys 2.4 kilograms of Alfredo sauce. How much does she spend? So which is the correct option? The correct option is Alfredo sauce is 3 kilograms. So you have to do 3 times 2.4. So the correct option is, that is $7.20. Option number one is the correct option, right? That is option number one. Okay, the next one is Mario went to the store and bought zero point 0.9 pounds of blue paper scrap. How much did he spend? The blue paper scrap is 11 pounds. 11 times zero point 0.9. So, which is the correct option? That is $9.90. Okay, stop arguing. Option number one is the correct option. That is $7.90. Sorry, $9.90 it is. Option number three is the correct option. Franklin went to the store and bought two whole 1 by 2 kilograms of hamburger buns. How much did he spend? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is hamburger. Hamburger buns cost 6 per kilogram, right? So you have to divide 6 by, you have to do 6 times 2.5. So which is the correct option? The correct option is the correct option is $15, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. Damon wants to buy zero point 0.3 pounds of raspberry jam. How much will he spend? So which is the correct option? Raspberry jam is $5 per pound. So which is the correct option? That option is 5 times 0.3. That is 1.5. Correct option is option number 1, that is 1.5. 1.5 it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 6 math. The chapter we were working on is consumer math. The lessons we have covered today are unit prices with customary unit conversions, percents, calculate tax tip, makeup, markup, and more. Unit prices, which is a better buy, unit prices with fractions and decimals. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9, or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.